Tigers lineup then this afternoon. And wearing 15 is Mike Brown. 14 is Malalili Satala. 13 is Isaiah Parisi. Wearing 12, Solomoni Kata. 11, Ollie Hassel Collins. 10 is Ben Volavola. 9, Jack Van Portfleet. Wearing 1, Nikki Smith. 2 is Charlie Clare. 3, Will Hurd. 4 is Tom Mans. Wearing 5, Harry Wells. 6 is Hamro Liebenberg. 7, Ollie Cracknell. And the Tigers number 8 is Kyle Haverhill. The Tigers replacements: Archie Baines, James Whitcomb, Tim Hoyt, Comtre Say, Emma Leone, Ben Youngs, Tom Whiteley, Dan Kelly, Finn Theobald Thomas, Joe Hayes, Sam Williams, Joseph Woodward, Will Wand, Josh Bassett, and Freddie Stewart. Now, thanks to the music license people at BPL PRS, the final song from Nikki Smith's pre-match playlist is from Tiesto.